Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Chad Kamey here with another video with Legacy Grind, and today we're going to talk about how to use a countdown timer on your emails in Getresponse. Alright, so here we are in Getresponse, and this is how obviously it'll look like when you are getting ready to send out one of your emails. And so today what we're going to use is a website called Sendtric.com, right? And that's what we're going to use for our countdown timer. Okay, so you would go over to Sendtric.com. Here we are, and this is how it'll end up looking like. Boost your click-through rates, right? So it's very simple. Go ahead and hit your email, whatever time zone that your countdown is for. Go ahead and pick your date that it ends and the time, right? And then one thing I like about this thing is that you can actually change the colors of how the background's gonna look, how the numbers and the digits, right? So say if we want to at least match the background of this, so you can just go ahead and plug in the actual color for it. Labels will keep white, and also will keep the numbers white. Hit I agree to terms and generate, and that is how it will look. Looks pretty nice. I like it. It's pretty sleek. Go ahead and copy. We're gonna go ahead and go back to Getresponse. Here we are at Getresponse, and so what you're gonna need is a custom HTML block. Now go ahead and drag that anywhere that you want, and this is where you will copy and paste your URL, and boom, look how sleek that looks. That's pretty nice. Yeah, and obviously you can move this to anywhere you need it, right? It's your world. You end up playing with it however you like. Now this is just a little bit of a pro tip. If you don't know about my blocks, I'm gonna just do a quick how-to on it. So if you want to save this same exact countdown timer, but you don't want to keep going down to Sendtric or have to keep copying and pasting your URL HTML code, well, super simple. Just go over here and you'll see a little icon here that says save. Go ahead and hit save. Nickname it however you want to. Go ahead, I'm gonna put it for this. Hit save, and boom, now you have your countdown timer, right? The only thing is you're always going to need to be the same color that your background, your background and everything. So just try and find something that's neutral with all the emails that you're going to send out, whether it's white background or whatever. And that's it. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you appreciate this, and I hope this helps you out with all your emails that you send out. It's your boy Chad once again, and with the Legacy Grinds. Have a good one.